We're starting our test on tapping 3 holes at one time, 1032, in our makeshift setup. It's very makeshift. We're only simply aligning each part with the 3 taps. We're running this at about 250 RPM on a drill tap machine. This will automatically reverse at the depth that's set on the switches each time. The depth is set a little on the short side. I'm going to increase the depth. I'm going to run a second time in the same holes. Turn over the part, get a second set on the same piece. Set the depth a little deeper again. Seems to be going perfectly straight. We're simply going to run a couple of parts at the same settings. Tap in probably about 3/8 to a 1/2 inch deep. We couldn't run these pieces any taller. The vise would have been very flimsy holding it at the bottom, so we cut them to about 2.5 inch long. Going just about to the full depth of the tap. We haven't had any problems picking up the center of the holes. We had tried this previously with a 2-spindle head, worked easily. Of course, you'll be able to run much faster than this with the lead screw tapper. This concludes our test. Thank you.